Today we're planting a plant in our garden.
Yeah.
Guess what plant it is?
I'm not sure what it is.
It's a sunflower.
Sunflower. We have the tools with us. What is the big bin there?
Huh?
What is that?
It's
It's compost. It's quite heavy.
Yeah.
We need to fill the pot. We got the pot. We got the flower. Look at this. How cute is it? We have grown it
We have a tool
for 2 weeks maybe.
What open?
Yeah, we got the tools.
What open? What open is? And the water. It's quicker. We have tools, and this is a ruby shovel, and this is a diamond shovel, and I think this is an emerald. I think this is an emerald tile. This is red, and this is a shovel, and this material is ruby, and this is blue.
So cute.
This is a shovel, and this material is a diamond, and this is emerald, and this is a first.
That's a green color, yeah?
Scissors, Mama.
Right. Yeah, we have the pot. We need to fill it with compost, and this one is for watering the plant.
Yeah.
Let's do it now. Let's open the compost.
Yeah. Okay.
We are half there. We put the compost in the pot. Yeah? Yeah?
Now we need to put the flowers in the big pot.
In here. All right.
This is a small, and this is a big.
Small and big. Okay.
Now we need to fill it with compost again.
Yeah, we need to fill it.
Because we can just see the root.
Yeah, the roots need to be covered.
Yeah. Now we're gonna water it here. Little.
Enough. Perfect. Wow, they are thirsty.
They're growing. I can see it under. I'm gonna get the sticks now. Not now. I'm gonna get them later. But
We're gonna get some sticks so to help the plants stay straight and grow big.
yeah.
Yeah? All right. Thank you, friends.
Do that later on the video.
All right. Thank you, friends.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Have finished, and this is how it looks now.
This is perfect.
You're very perfect. It keeps the plants up.
Yay. Bye, friends. Thank you for watching.
Bye friends, thank you for watching. Bye bye, like and subscribe.